Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. I'm Cassandra. Today I have both of my boxes from Boxycharm. August Boxycharm. Yes, I finally received my boxes. So if you want to see what I get for the month of August in my premium box and my base box, let's see which box is better, if any. So if you want to see exactly what's in these boxes, please continue to watch. For those who do not know what Boxycharm is a monthly beauty subscription box, and they have 3 different boxes, but I will leave all that information in the description section of this video. Okay, so let's go ahead on and unbox. The first box we're going to go into is the base box. I know the first thing you all always ask me, how much does it weigh? So let's see. The base box weighed 13.5 ounces. It wasn't even a pound. 13.5 ounces. Okay. Open it up. And the theme is Spa Glamming Sunbathe Yoga Slammer Boxycharm. So I mean, I don't know what the heck that's supposed to mean, but anyway, that's the theme, I guess. I have variation number 68, and all this telling me is what's inside the box. The first thing I see in this box is the Morphe I Got This 4-piece brush set, which retails for $12. Cheap brushes, who want those? Don't want that. The next thing I see in here is the Cargo Nude Beach Eyeshadow, and this retails for $39.99. $40 for this teeny bitty palette, and look what it looks like, y'all. Who want that? $39.99. The next thing I see is QMS Medicosmetics Active Glow Tint Day Cream, and that's this. And this retails for $105. $105, whatever. And the next thing I see in this box said Milk Makeup, and this is a fiber brow gel, whatever. I'm not even gonna open it, but I'm just gonna show you. Can't even see it. Okay, and the last thing I see in this box is Rockins Cosmetic Big Fat Liner. So this is an eyeliner, and this retails for $25. $25, y'all. Whatever. And this Milk brow gels retails for $20. $20. Whatever. So the total for this month's base box was $201.99. Now you can't beat that with the price. All you paying is $25 for the box, but it's up to you to decide if it's worth it. But to me, this was not even worth it. Okay, let's see what's in the premium box. Open the premium box, and you see you already got stuff all on top. You got dirt on top too. See that dirt that's on top of there? Okay. Okay, the same thing, same card almost. It just have different products on it. And this is variation number 44. Oh, I forgot to see how much it weighed. Let me put it back down, tell y'all what it weighs. And it weighs 2 pounds, 2.4 ounces. Okay? Like I said, this variation number 44. Okay, what's in this box? First thing I see that's all bent up. The box bent up and it looks like it's open. And this is slip-on Exfoliator. And this is Afterspa. Whatever the crap is, but that's that. And this retails for $18. Oh, there you go. Y'all, $18. Whatever. Yep. This is my last year with Boxycharm. I can tell y'all that now. The next thing I see is Born This Way setting powder from Too Faced. Okay. And this setting powder retails for $33. And this is in translucent, which I already have, but hey, that's what that looks like. $33. The next thing I see in this box is C.E.O. Sunday Riley Vitamin C Rich Hydration Cream. That's what this looks like. And this retails for $65. The next thing I see is a matte lipstick. And this is in the color Dew Bonnet. And this is what it looks like. There it is. Okay. And that retails for $19. The next thing I see is Laura Geller Fortifying Eyelash Primer. So these are lashes, eyelash primers. And this retails for $24, y'all. Let me open it up. See, they put a little tape there this time because they know it was coming out. So this is just some crap that they put together. Yep. December is it. And this is lash primer. I need some more lash primer, but still. Let's open it up. I don't mind opening this up because this ain't nothing but primer. And it's black instead of white. Oh, okay. And like I said, that retails for $24. And the last thing I see is Ciate London Editor Palette, New England. And this is what it looks like. And this palette retails for $32. And this is what it looks like on the front. Open it up. It does have a mirror. And these are the shades. Yep. Like I said, this is my last year with Boxycharm. Last year. So, the total for this premium box was $191. Now explain that to me. How come the premium box is $191 And the base box is $201.99. You tell me. Yes, this is my last year with Boxycharm. No more Boxycharm. No, 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 no. No more Boxycharm. It's a waste of my money. And they were so good the first couple of years. Okay, out of the two boxes, which box do you all like the best? The premium or the base? Or neither? So which one? You asking me? Both of them like this. I don't want neither. So I will be giving this stuff away in a giveaway. Coming up probably at Christmas, I will be doing a giveaway. I tried, y'all. Boxycharm just, I'm gonna have to find another beauty box. So if you all know any more beauty boxes out there, comment in the comment section of this video and let me know so I can look it up and check it out, because this is it for me and Boxycharm. Comment in the bottom section of this video and tell me what you think about Boxycharm. Is Boxycharm getting worse or is it just me? Yeah, it's getting worse. Okay, other than that, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share this video. I'll see you all next time. Bye-bye.